On July 12th, Honor, the renowned smartphone brand, is all set to reveal two exciting new devices to the world, the Magic V2 foldable smartphone and the Honor Magic Pad tablet. These upcoming releases have generated significant anticipation among tech enthusiasts and consumers alike. In a recent teaser, Honor hinted at a standout feature of the Magic Pad, which is its IMAX enhanced display. This announcement has sparked considerable curiosity and excitement surrounding the tablet's capabilities. The IMAX enhanced display technology is known for delivering immersive and high-quality visual experiences, as it is developed to optimize content specifically for larger screens. With the inclusion of this advanced display, the Magic Pad aims to offer users an unparalleled viewing experience with vibrant colors, sharp details, and enhanced contrast. The latest images of the Honor Magic Pad tablet have been unveiled, offering a glimpse into its appearance and highlighting some noteworthy features. The tablet boasts a simple and elegant appearance, emphasizing a minimalistic aesthetic. One standout element is the double-ring camera module, which adds a touch of sophistication to the overall appearance of the device. This camera setup suggests that the Magic Pad will likely offer users the ability to capture high-quality photos and videos. Another notable aspect of the tablet's appearance is the inclusion of the IMAX enhanced emblem, positioned below the Honor brand logo. This emblem signifies that the Magic Pad has received certification for IMAX Enhanced, underscoring its commitment to delivering an exceptional audio and visual experience. IMAX Enhanced certification guarantees that the tablet meets the stringent standards set by IMAX for immersive audio and visual content. Users can expect the Magic Pad to provide a level of quality that is akin to the immersive standards found in original IMAX theaters, ensuring a truly captivating and engaging multimedia experience. By incorporating the IMAX Enhanced certification, Honor demonstrates its dedication to offering users an enhanced and immersive viewing experience on the Magic Pad. The certification ensures that the tablet is optimized to deliver stunning visuals, vibrant colors, and sharp details, making it an ideal device for consuming multimedia content, such as movies, videos, and games. Additionally, users can expect impressive audio performance that complements the visual experience, immersing them in a world of sound. The Honor Magic Pad tablet has been unveiled, showcasing an impressive appearance that captivates with its remarkably slim bezels on all sides. What sets it apart is the asymmetrical bezel arrangement, with the top and bottom bezels narrower than the left and right ones, creating a visually striking feature. This appearance choice allows for maximum screen real estate, delivering an immersive viewing experience that draws users into their content. Previous reports have indicated that the Honor Magic Pad will sport a spacious 13-inch display, with a 2.8K resolution. This high-resolution display promises sharp details, vibrant colors, and excellent visual clarity, making it an ideal canvas for multimedia consumption, productivity tasks, and creative endeavors. The color options available for the Magic Pad further add to its appeal. Users will have the choice of cyan, gray, and warm gold, allowing them to select a color that suits their personal style and preferences. Whether one prefers a vibrant and bold shade or a more understated and elegant tone, the Honor Magic Pad offers options to cater to different tastes. While specific details about the internals of the Honor Magic Pad tablet have not been officially disclosed, there is anticipation that the device will feature a high-end processor from either Qualcomm or MediaTek, two prominent chipset manufacturers in the mobile industry. The choice of processor is crucial as it significantly impacts the tablet's performance and capabilities. Speculation suggests that the Magic Pad might be equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 from Qualcomm, which has been featured in several recently released premium tablets. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC is known for its exceptional processing power, advanced AI capabilities, and efficient energy consumption. If the tablet indeed incorporates this chipset, users can expect a smooth and responsive experience, whether they are engaging in multitasking, gaming, or other resource-intensive tasks. As the launch event approaches on July 12th, tech enthusiasts and consumers are eagerly awaiting the official unveiling of the Honor Magic V2 and the Honor Magic Pad. The event promises to provide a closer look at the features, capabilities, and potential of these new devices, setting the stage for an exciting future in the world of mobile technology. I definitely want to test this tablet and check its real abilities, and what do you say? Have a nice day and see you soon.